C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a removable top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, just a little over 18,000 is all in this car, 18,577. LS2 power underneath the hood, that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at the front fascia on this car, very nice condition. Millennium yellow, ebony or black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, the car from every angle. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels, brand new radials, all four corners. Brakes 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. And you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, bucket seats. Leather interior, center console, the selective ride control, navigation radio, heads-up display, heated seats, dual electronic climate control, very nicely equipped. If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped, look in those pictures, and there is a picture of the copy of the window sticker, so you can see how this would have came from Chevrolet back when it was brand new. It also has a trickle charger mounted underneath the hood that can be plugged in, hooked up to the battery, come with a car cover, and it also has shades for the removable top. It has the smoked removable top, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Car is pictured with it in and with it out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As we take a look down the driver's side. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. C1s all the way through the C8s. We do get them all. And the vehicles are available to purchase when these videos are uploaded. And you can do that either online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, this driver's side also looks as good as the passenger side. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There was two little tiny spots. I don't know if I can get them to show up or not. There's one little one, you can see that. And there was one tiny one up kind of on the door pad for opening it. We're going to start this up, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to go ahead and start this up first of all. We'll get rid of the warning chime. All right, so Bose stereo system. Of course, power windows, power locks, memory seating. Come around here, heads-up display controls, and that is working. You're going to be able to see it right there. That can be adjusted or turned off, whatever you may wish. Odometer 18,577. No check engine lights, service engine soon lights, anything like that on. Let's take a look at this dash. Also in good shape. Mentioned the navigation radio. Let's go ahead and find a station that will come in here for us. Show you that it is working. Whoops, let's go right here. Stereo working. Now you may see this flicker in the video. That's actually the phase from the camera. In person, that is all steady. It's electronic dual climate control. Heated seats. Like I said earlier, check out the still pictures. The window sticker will be in there so you can see exactly how it's equipped. Very little wear in the seats. All that is just the natural wrinkling of the hide since it's a leather seat down there. Bolster, which is about like new. And you'll be able to see the storage compartment in the still pictures, again with the top in, top out. Let's listen. Sounds as you would expect. Not noticing any crazy aftermarket items on this car. Alright, so there it is, LS2, 6-liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, of course, the automatic with overdrive transmission. Hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. Obviously these cars don't see a lot of inclement weather, and I believe majority of this one's life was in North Dakota, hence the low miles. Don't have as many months up there to drive it when it's nice out. That onboard charger I mentioned, nicely mounted right there, inner fender, so it's hooked up to the battery. All you got to do is plug that in. Nice setup for keeping the battery up and charged, maintained. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, smooth running car. No surprises on this one, and again, clean Carfax. It's going to come with that car cover, the shades for the removable top, battery tender already installed. Millennium Yellow. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around a little bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette in yellow. This is an automatic on the center console right here, so it's easy for anybody to drive. I have a heads-up display showing me the tachometer, the speedometer, the temperature, the G-force. Sometimes you just want to take a corner hard to see those G's. There, I just pulled 0.6. That's not much, but this is a very nice Corvette. Low mile, under 20,000 miles on this baby. Very comfortable bucket seats. I have this see-through top, removable top over my head. Our temperature's looking good, about 180. The oil pressure, about 45 psi. Battery's charging over 14 volts. And the fuel gauge is showing me half a tank. Tachometer, speedometer, working as they should. Another perfect song for driving a classic car. Feels just the way it should. Feels like a new Corvette. Responsive to the road, but not harsh. Gotta be America's best sports car. And this era, if you're looking for bang for the buck, I would say this is darn close to the best you're gonna get. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth, easy to push. Just the right rumble coming out the tailpipe of this car. Corner's amazingly flat. And the tires let go just a little bit. Very good acceleration. This is a fun car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com. By the way, if the lights are flickering on the dash, that's just our camera, not the car itself. The dash looks great.